and welcome to Primary Earth Maths Magic. Today we're going to be learning about formal subtraction, renaming lesson 1. Let's get started. Have a look at this question. What is the missing number from this calculation? 546 subtract blank equals 539. Explain how you can solve this calculation. To have a go yourself, pause this video now. Okay, let's take a look. So we've got the number 546 and we want to know how to get to 539. So one way we could do this is counting up from 539 until we reach 546 to find out what the difference is. So let's do that now. So 539, 540, 541, 542, 543, 544, 545 and 546. So if you count that number there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, we'll find that our missing number is 7. So 546 subtract 7 equals 539. Now let's take a look at our method. The question is 831 subtract 226. For the formal subtraction method, we have arranged these numbers into their place value columns of ones, tens and hundreds. If you'd like to have a go of this yourself, pause the video now. Right, let's have a look at how to solve this calculation. We'll start with the ones column here. So our question is 1 subtracted by 6. Now we can't take 6 away from 1, so we're going to need to rename. So what we're going to do is we're going to rename from the tens column here. We'll take our 3 and take 1 10 away from our 3, making that 2. We're going to rename that tens over to the ones column, making that 11. So now our question is 11 subtract 6, which is 5. Next we're looking at our tens column. The question is 2 subtract 2, which of course is 0. We put that under our tens column. And finally, our last column is our hundreds. So we've got 8 subtracted by 2. So 8 subtracted by 2 is 6, and we put that in our hundreds column. So our question was 831 subtract 226 equals 605. Okay, think you got the hang of this method? Challenge yourself by solving these calculations using the method we just practiced. Pause this video now to have a go. Okay, let's have a look at the answers. 231 subtract 123 equals 108. Next question, 426 subtract 264 equals 162. Our third question is 768 subtract 249, which equals 519. And finally, 539 subtract 354 equals 185. Well done for giving that a go. If you made a few mistakes, go back and watch the method again. If you got them all right, let's try some maths mastery. Take a look at this calculation. It has some missing numbers. Use your knowledge of this method to find the missing numbers. To give yourself a chance to work this out, you can pause this video now. Okay, let's take a look. We'll start with our ones column. We can see that 5 subtracted by 4 equals 1, which was done for us. Then moving on to our tens column, we can see that one of our numbers has been renamed, so our original number must be the ones of that number. So 5 would have been our original missing number. Then we renamed from our hundreds column. We took 1 away from 5 and made that number 4, and then we're able to rename that hundreds over into our tens column to make 15. So our answer to 15 subtract 6 would be 9, and then looking at our hundreds column, we can see that 4 subtract 4 would be 0. Well done for completing this video. You've worked really hard. It's time to rate your understanding of this method. If you rate yourself 1, you fully understand the concept and can solve different problems using this method. If you rate yourself 2, you understand how to solve this problem and are ready for a challenge. And if you rate yourself 3, you're starting to understand the concept but need a bit more help. If you rated yourself a 3 or a 2, watch this video again to become more confident using the method. If you rated yourself 1, you can move on to Subtraction Renaming Lesson 2, Year 3. Did you know You can download resources for this lesson by visiting our Primary Earth shop at TES. Simply scan the QR code with your phone or tablet camera, or click the link in the description below. It's as simple as that. Thanks for watching our Maths Magic video. If you enjoyed this video, like and comment to let us know, and subscribe for more videos like this. See you soon.